Too many HVAC complaints? Rooms too hot, too cold, or simply not comfortable? The problem may not be your HVAC equipment. It could be your building management system. The problem may be in your BMS. Our experts troubleshoot BMS issues, identify control problems, and fine-tune controller programming. From graphics development to point-to-point testing, we make sure your systems communicate and operate correctly. Need help quickly? Our remote support helps diagnose BMS issues without unnecessary delays. And with our annual maintenance contracts, we help prevent recurring problems and keep your BMS performing reliably. Still dealing with frequent HVAC complaints? Let's fix the root cause. Call Uriel Enterprises today and get your BMS back on track.